Authentic Bavarian coffee cream recipe. Easy homemade dessert. Hey there, coffee lovers. Welcome back to our kitchen. Today, we're going to indulge in the rich flavors of Bavaria with our delicious Bavarian coffee cream recipe. If you're looking for a delightful dessert to impress your guests or simply treat yourself, you've come to the right place. So, let's dive right in. Ingredients. 1 cup heavy cream. 1/2 cup strong brewed coffee. 1/4 cup granulated sugar. 2 teaspoons gelatin powder. 2 tablespoons cold water. Cocoa powder for garnish. Coffee beans for garnish, optional. Instructions. Dissolve gelatin. In a small bowl, sprinkle gelatin powder over cold water. Let it sit for about 5 minutes to soften. Heat cream. In a saucepan, pour in the heavy cream and add sugar. Heat the mixture over medium heat until it's warm, but not boiling. Stir occasionally to dissolve the sugar. Add gelatin. Once the cream is warm, add the softened gelatin mixture into the saucepan. Stir continuously until the gelatin is completely dissolved. Make sure not to boil the mixture. Combine with coffee. Pour in the strong brewed coffee into the cream mixture. Stir well to combine all the ingredients thoroughly. Strain. To ensure a smooth texture, strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl. This step will remove any lumps or bits of gelatin. Chill. Allow the mixture to cool down to room temperature. Once cooled, cover the bowl with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 4 hours, or until the cream sets and becomes firm. Serve. Once the Bavarian coffee cream has set, give it a good whisk to make it light and fluffy. Spoon the creamy goodness into serving glasses or cups. You can garnish with a sprinkle of cocoa powder and a few coffee beans for that extra touch. Enjoy. Now, it's time to indulge in the heavenly flavors of Bavarian coffee cream. Grab a spoon and savor every delicious bite. And there you have it, folks, our delightful Bavarian coffee cream recipe that's sure to impress anyone who tries it. Whether you serve it as a dessert at your next dinner party or enjoy it as a special treat for yourself, this creamy delight is bound to become a favorite. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more mouthwatering recipes. Until next time, happy cooking! Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.